As you can see, I have completed my do-it-yourself home pedicure, and I must say I am pretty happy with the results. The decals came out exactly where I wanted them, and I like the color that I picked out. So once you do it a few times, you will just get the hang of it, and it'll be just really simple to do, and usually the results come out really, really good. People ask me, how often do I need to do a pedicure? Well, it varies, but the average is about 2 to 4 weeks. In the winter time, the toenails actually grow at a slower pace, and you could go up to 4 weeks. In order for the decals to stay on your toes, though, you should perhaps weekly put a top coat on there. Helps from the keeps the nail polish from chipping and keeps the decals in place. You could file a toenail in between as well if they get rough, but usually a month is pretty safe to say that you would need to do the whole procedure all over again. And that wraps it up, and I hope you learned something, and we'll see you next time.